Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to create an LLC on Sunbiz. First, go to the official website of sunbiz.org, Florida Department of State. Here, click on Search Records from its homepage. Before creating an LLC, check if your desired LLC name is available by using the Search LLC Records tool. If it is taken, consider changing your name for uniqueness. Then, go to Start a Business section. Here, click on Florida Limited Liability Company Articles of Organization to start a new filing. It will take you to the filing form page. You will need to fill in details like the effective date, business address, registered agent info, and more. The registered agent is the person responsible for legal matters. You can file articles of organization once you have read and accepted the terms of the disclaimer and acknowledge receipt of the filing information provided. Check that checkbox and start a new filing. Then, enter your information, including your address and email for correspondence. You can enter an effective date if you want your LLC's existence to start on a different date than the filing date. The effective date can be up to 5 business days before the submission date or up to 90 days after the receipt date. After that, enter your LLC name and principal place of business. Then, enter your mailing address if it is different from the principal address. Designate a registered agent for your LLC. This person is responsible for receiving legal documents on behalf of the business. You can find your registered agents detailed by clicking on the link. After reading the instructions, enter your first and last name. Collect necessary information, including the names and addresses of the LLC members, your chosen business name, and the registered agent's information. Now enter your registered agent's signature. You will need to file an annual report between January 1st and May 1st of every year to maintain active status. Prepare and complete the Articles of Organization. This document officially establishes your LLC and includes information such as the LLC's name, address, purpose, and member details. You will also need to specify the purpose of the company. Then, enter your correspondent's name and email address and enter the correspondent's signature. After that, enter the name and address of the person authorized to manage the LLC. Start by entering the title, last and first name, and initial name, then enter your address, city, and zip code. If you have multiple members, list them for added liability protection. Review the information for accuracy and proceed to the payment section. Once your LLC is approved, you will receive a confirmation, which may include a certificate of organization or a similar document. Fill in your payment details, review the information once more, and submit your filing. Remember, the annual report is required each year. Failure to file on time can result in late fees. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.